My fierce face is not always in place. I sport it so you won't ignore it. It's not to amuse you or confuse you. It's to disabuse you of any idea of strife you think to bring to my life. I step out with this fierce face and a lined spine. Every time I leave my abode, I roll in this mode. It's fierce and can only be pierced by my dearest, and sometimes even they look away because I don't play. Don't mistake my fierce face for commonplace. Be friend or foe, you need to know. I sport it so you won't ignore it. Fierce Face by cdvomagic. Let's work together.